Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best kayaks. The versatile watercraft for serene lake paddles, exciting fishing trips, calm river floats, or coastal explorations with stability and ease. Whether you're a beginner seeking lightweight portability, an angler needing rod holders and stand-up platforms, a storage-limited adventurer wanting inflatables or modular designs, or a recreational paddler craving comfort and tracking, these kayaks excel in hull design, weight capacity, maneuverability, durability, and accessories. We'll cover length, material, stability, storage, and user insights to match your adventures and budget. Check the description for current prices and deals. Let's paddle out. The Pelican Sentinel 80X kayak is a compact sit-on-top perfect for smaller paddlers or casual short outings on calm waters. At just 8 feet long and 34 pounds, this lightweight Ramex plastic model features a twin-arched multi-chine hull for excellent primary stability, easy entry/exit, molded footrests, bottle holder, and rear bungee storage. Self-bailing scuppers keep you dry, with a 225 pounds capacity ideal for teens or lighter adults plus gear. Users love the maneuverability for ponds or slow rivers, buoyant safety flotation, and effortless transport, no roof rack needed. It's less suited for longer trips or rough conditions due to size, but for fun, beginner-friendly recreational kayaking with great stability and portability, the Sentinel 80X is a lightweight gem. Next, the Vitamiro modular fishing kayak offers innovative portability and pedal drive efficiency for anglers with limited space. This two-piece, or modular, sit-on-top design separates for easy SUV trunk storage, assembles quickly, and includes a reversible propeller pedal system for hands-free propulsion, adjustable seat, paddle, and rod holders. Around 9 to 10 feet assembled with 350 to 400 pounds capacity, it's stable for standing casts and features gear tracks for customization. Reviewers appreciate the foldable convenience for apartment dwellers, smooth pedaling on lakes or bays, and fishing-ready setup without a trailer. Joints may flex slightly or add weight compared to rigid hulls, but for modular transport, pedal power, and accessible fishing on varied waters, Vitamiro brings smart flexibility to angling adventures. The OCMBROAD inflatable sit-in kayak provides packable convenience and surprising rigidity for remote or travel-friendly paddling. This drop-stitch inflatable, 10 to 11 feet, 1 to 2 person options, inflates to high PSI for hardshell-like performance, with adjustable seat, pedal/rudder options, paddle, pump, and carry bag included. Durable PVC resists punctures, with good tracking and stability for lakes or mild rivers. Users highlight the quick 10-minute setup/deflate, car trunk portability for hike-in spots, and comfortable enclosed cockpit protecting from splashes. It packs small but requires pumping and drying post-use, but for inflatable versatility enabling paddling anywhere without storage hassles, OCMBROAD delivers reliable on-the-go exploration. The Wilderness Systems recreational kayak, Tarpon or Pungo series standouts, brings premium comfort and all-day performance for versatile flat water cruising. Popular models like the Tarpon 105 or Pungo 120, 10 to 12 feet, feature Phase 3 AirPro seating for ergonomic support, adjustable thigh braces, dry hatch storage, bungee deck rigging, and stable hulls tracking efficiently while maneuvering well. Roto-molded polyethylene ensures durability, with capacities over 300 pounds. Reviewers rave about the plush adjustable seat preventing fatigue, smooth glide on lakes/bays, and ample gear space for day trips or light overnights. It's pricier and heavier for solo portaging, but for refined recreational paddling with superior comfort, stability, and quality that lasts seasons, Wilderness Systems offers elevated enjoyment on the water. Finally, the Pelican Catch Mode 110 kayak earns the top spot as the ultimate fishing-focused sit-on-top for stand-up stability and angler features. This 10.5-foot tunnel hull design, 375 pounds capacity, provides a wide flat deck for confident standing, ErgoBoost elevated seat for comfort/visibility, anti-slip carpet, rigging tracks, flush mount rod holders, retractable skeg for tracking, and front/rear storage. Lightweight at 63 to 83 pounds with Ramex durability. Users love the rock-solid stability for casting/reeling, spacious platform fitting coolers/crates, and maneuverability in ponds or coastal shallows. It's boxier for speed and wind, but for dedicated fishing with pro-level standability, comfort, and gear organization at accessible pricing, the Catch Mode 110 reigns supreme. That wraps up our top 5 best kayaks. From the compact Pelican Sentinel 80X kayak, modular Vitamiro modular fishing kayak, portable OCMBRO 80 inflatable sit-in kayak, comfortable wilderness systems recreational kayak, to the angler-ready Pelican Catch Mode 110 kayak. There's a perfect paddle craft for every water type, skill, and adventure. Which one will launch your next on-water escape? Comment below, like, subscribe, hit the bell for more outdoor reviews, and check the description for deals. Thanks for watching.